Hey everybody, it's Neon. Check out what I have here. I have the Ceviept, and it is a place where I can put all my medals that I get for my running and stuff. And I've gotten a few of them, and I just can't find them right now. If I can, I'll put the picture of them up here or there or something of me wearing one of my medals, or with it in the medals. But let's see what we got here. So we have the cases here. Let's see, let me open this all up and take all these out, and I'll show you guys what it is and the concept of it. So the way it works is you get these things here, and so you've got the little wooden thing, and we'll screw it into the wall. So that'll screw into the wall, and then it's got these magnet holders, and you can run your straps for your medals through this, and then the medal will hang right there. And then when you do that, you can put it over right there, and it kind of just holds in place, and it'll display your medal. So how cool is that? And so I'll show you guys the picture here. So you can kind of do like what it says there. You see you've got all the different medals, and you can kind of put them all around. And I wish I could find them. Hopefully I'll find them and have the picture up here with it displayed, because I'm going to hang this on my wall so it'll look funny without any medals in there. But very cool. I like this. Thumbs up.